Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Cuphead game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device and make sure that you are logged in using your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the store page. Now from here, click on the search box and then type in Cuphead and begin your search. Once you find the game, just click on it. And you can now check out the game trailer and also the reviews. In order to download the game, scroll down and click on Add to Cart button alongside the version that you wish to purchase. You can then click on View My Cart and then continue towards your payment for the game. Now just choose your desired payment method from the drop-down menu and you can just enter the credentials of the method that you have chosen to finalize your payment. Once your payment has been finalized, the game will be added to your library, from which you can complete the installation of the game with just a few clicks. And once the installation has been completed, you can start enjoying the Cuphead game on your PC right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Cuphead game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.